Yo, what's up, guys? It's International O back at it with another one. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Greatly appreciate it. Goes a long way. We on the race to 1,000. I'm at, I think, 915. I'm thankful. Greatly appreciate it. We running this today, and honestly, man, I'm kind of contemplating on doing this a little more because I know every time I get a shoe, I run here, do a video. And at a point now where I'm at, man, I'm not really trying to number chase like that. I mean, subscribers, great. 1,000, great. It's good to set those goals. The views are gonna come. You know what I'm saying? So I'm kind of contemplating if I'm gonna just start like letting it pile up and do like haul videos like I have now, or just do it shoe by shoe. I'll figure it out. But anyway, man, we got a lot of goodies. A lot of goodies today. So let's get kicked off first. Croc charms. Zoe made it. You gotta follow him. I'll leave his Instagram down below. Zoe made it. He makes charms for Crocs. These are Texas charms. I sold some before he made for the DJ Screw charms, and this one he made like strictly just Texas charms. I done tore the bag already, being destructive. This one actually of Houston. This says H-Town on this one. Then we have a Texas. Got a Texas charm. You can see that Texas flag. We have a tape, which could be considered a screw tape. The Maxell, the old Maxell screw tapes. And then this one I think is a gun. Yep. So we have that. Those are from Zoe Made It, man. He makes his own custom charms, which is dope. I wish I had that ability, man, because I would just really spaz out with making my own charms. So shout out to that talented brother, man, for being able to make something so creative. Next, I got this from CaseNerd. This is a Chicago Bulls. I guess it's like a Michelin-esque, kind of a Bape-ish Michelin-esque phone case for my iPhone 12 mini from CaseNerds. So you can check them out. I'll leave a link to them. This is not a hard case, it's a plastic case, the silicone case. I already have a Jet Life case, so I always try to alternate cases sometimes. The Jet Life, when I have the letters, are kind of wearing off, so I kind of switch up cases from time to time. Next up, I got this from, I think, $5. I got this for $5 from Pacsun because I had some reward points. Regular price $18. This is a Grateful Dead summer tour cap. They had a clearance sale on there, so I went ahead and got this snapback Grateful Dead. I actually had some Grateful Dead Crocs I got in the Chinatown collab. I got them in here and they just really wasn't for me, honestly, and I went ahead and just let them fly. But this is a dope pickup. Had to get it. Shout out to Pacsun. Next pickup from Sneakerheads.com. I'll leave their description down below. This is a Make Sneaker Culture Great Again cap. Shout out to the homie Bobby Sneaker World. I actually saw him with this cap on. He was doing a pickup vlog, and I saw him with this cap on. I'm like, man, that cap is dope. Where you get it from? He sent me to these guys. They shipped it pretty quick. It's just all this stuff been sitting in my mailbox since last year, since 2021, since December. I just went and checked my mailbox and all this stuff was in there. So shout out to Bobby Sneaker World, sneakerheadclothing.com. You can check them out. I'll leave a link in the description for that cap. Next up, I have from Southside Skate Shop. Good people here in Houston. They sell SBs. They do raffles for SBs. They just did one for the street hawkers. I struck out. You know, it happens. I haven't really won a raffle there yet. I fell off all of them, but it is what it is. It happens, man. One day I'll get that W from them. But I got this Southside Skate Park, well, Southside Skate Shop tee that I got from them. If you're not familiar with this, the way this logo is, this is reminiscent of the old Astroworld logo. Like, this was like how the Astroworld logo used to look back then. So it was the nostalgia in that made me cop this tee, the nostalgia of it, of the Astroworld. I bought it and I was looking around to see what I know. I'm pretty sure if I look, I'll find something, one of these shoes of many that I can have to wear with that. Next up, and they sent me a letter. They sent me a coupon code for 15% off my next order from Big O. Big O International O. What's up? Next, I got this. It's a company called Skim Milk. Clothing for high class low lives. I got this from Pacsun, not Pacsun, Urban Outfitters. This normally priced $39. I got this for $4.99. They had a sale and I had points there. I spend money with buying clothes, man, so I end up getting reward points, and I let them stack up, and then I'll just unload them and buy a bunch of stuff, man. So this shirt says "Stop Doubting Yourself." I just thought it was dope, and especially spoke to me because honestly, to be 100% honest with y'all, in 2020, it was a lot of things that I had, a lot of ideas that I had, and things that I wanted to execute that I did not do because I was doubting myself and wasn't feeling the drive. And I said that this year I'm gonna do a lot better and do a better job at pushing and pursuing things that I want to do. And those things are actually slowly taking place now. So you'll hear about those things in the near future. Next, it's a lot, man. Next, this jacket, man. I love this brand. I love their store. They have an outlet in St. Marcus. And I did one of the videos before of the jacket, the North Face. I did a review of one of their jackets I picked up before for a good price at the North Face outlet. Due to COVID, I haven't been out there. I miss it. I want to go out there. But I was able to find this jacket online for a steal. This is the Himalayan down Parka. I'm gonna open it and let y'all see it. But this is the Himalayan down Parka. This is the big one. Pretty big jacket that they have with the hoodie on it. See, I have one, and mine don't really have a hoodie like that. I have a North Face jacket, but I never had a hoodie. I mean, a puffer, like the puffy, thick, insulated jacket, like the Noops, the retro Noops jacket. And this is the Himalayan down Parka jacket. Dope pickup from Asos. They had them on sale. This jacket retails at $330, and I got it for like $170 or something like that. It was like less than $170. I know that. I got a good deal for it. Good deal. I love these jackets, man. North Face jackets. The sizing is a little different for these because they run big. So this is a large. I normally wear extra large jackets, but I got this in a large because the last one I got fit me pretty well, and it's a large because I see how big they run. But yeah, this is the Himalayan Parka. It's just a dope jacket, man. Just an all around dope jacket. Had to get it. Now we got that out the way. On to the shoes. I have had 2 pickups since that I haven't shown you guys on the video. I didn't do reviews of them. One of them, which everybody, they've restocked on them so many times, and then they're sitting on certain online retailers. I like the shoe. Me personally, I don't care about hyping. Like I tell y'all, wear what I like. They are a mid, but I don't care. If you don't like them, I like them. They're dope. So this is the Jordan 1 mid, the metallic gold. Had to cop. I like this shoe. I think this is a dope shoe. I'm gonna rock this joint. So that's that one, the metallic. And the other shoe that I picked up is actually an older shoe. It came out 3 years ago. Supreme released this shoe 3 years ago. It's a collab between Supreme and Nike. And my homie, one of the homies, C's from Austin, dope MC. He sent me a picture and he asked me about the shoe. He's like, "Hey, I'm not familiar with this shoe." I'm like, "Yeah, this one came out. I actually had this shoe before. I think I had yellow or orange. I had it before." And I don't know. I just had time where I just said I could go without it. I think I had the orange one. But here we go, nevertheless. And shout out to the homie. He reminded me of this shoe, and I'm like, man, just thinking about this shoe was dope. And I went back and got it off of StockX, actually. Dope shoe. This is a Supreme Nike Air Force 2. As you can see that here on the tongue, this is the Air Force 2, not the 1. So this is dope. That premium leather. Then here on the side, it's more like a patent leather. Right here on this side panel, here on both sides. But overall dope shoe, and it says world famous on it. So on this one it says world, and on this one it says famous, world famous. So yeah, these are the Supreme Nike Air Force 2s. I was able to get those as well, man, and that's pretty much it, man. I like I said, that's the haul, man. I know, like I said, I could start doing stuff piece by piece. This stuff is, aside from the shoes, everything else has been sitting in the locker part of my mailbox, because the mailbox is full with mail. So they've used a locker. All this stuff has been sitting in my locker since like December 29th. And it's just been sitting there ever since then. So let me know down in the comments, man, if you guys want me to just continue to do shoes as I get them, or you want me to do big hauls like this. I actually have a pair of shoes, honestly, that I'm contemplating on probably saving for a haul, because I haven't even got it yet. And that's the undefeated Air Max 97. I ordered that shoe on December 29th. I still haven't gotten shipping. A lot of people haven't gotten shipping yet. They said wait 10 to 15 business days. So that today is Saturday. That means Tuesday. They should ship between now and Tuesday. And I still haven't gotten that shoe. So like I said, I haven't really purchased a shoe in 2021 still. All this stuff is from last year. All these shoe purchases and stuff are from last year. I still not have purchased a shoe in 2021. Today, the Jordan 13 Starfish came out. If you got those, let me know in the comments. If you got the Starfish, I didn't get them. I like them. It's a dope shoe. I don't need them. It wasn't one where I'm like, oh, I need that one. So I passed on it. Next shoe I got my eye on, I think that Yeezy 700. That's $240. They dropped them to $240, but the Yeezy 700, I can't remember the colors. I got my eye on that one, and I gotta get those Jordan 4 sand taupes. Got to have those taupe Jordan 4s. It's a must. And that's pretty much it, man. Thank you guys for tuning in. Like I said, leave your thoughts, comments, and feedbacks down in the comments of the video. It's greatly appreciated. Again, we on a race to 1,000. And until the next video, you guys be cool.